Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking for literature review, I'm going to show you how to use Jenni AI. So if that's of interest to you, let's dive in. So we're going to jump straight into Jenni.ai, and once you've signed in, this is the page you'll find. On the left-hand side, you'll see a new document, right? So we want to click on new document, and on this page, you will add what you would like to write your literature about. So I've prepared. Write me a literature review about the benefits of eating more fruit and vegetables daily. What we want to do here is click on start writing. So this process now will begin, and each few lines that are written, you can actually click on accept to accept the type of writing that's been generated, or you can click on try again. Now, once you click on try again, it will rewrite those few lines. Once you click on accept, it will continue to write a few lines, and every few lines it will ask of you to read through and accept what has been generated. Now, this is a different approach to your traditional ChatGPT or even Blackbox or Perplexity AI, whereas they literally just write everything for you, and then you have to start digressing it and breaking it down and correcting it if it's not correct. But in this sense, you really get to change each section accordingly as it's moving through. Now, of course, you can upgrade, but the free version does come with a word limit. And as you go down, you will eventually find that you'll have a fully written piece of literature. If this was helpful, go ahead and drop us a like, and we'll see you next time, people. Peace out.